Without further ado, I'll put those two pieces aside that we're not going to put in there. And then I will take, and we can see that, what can we see? Well, that's how it's built. That's how it sits vertically. Let's get the two springs in on the action too. And that one. And then one screw. Where's the other screw? There it is, hiding underneath the stop plate, which is right there. And the spring, which supplies the tension. And last but not least, we have the quite large, elongated. So I got some on there. Then I'm going to take a shop towel, which I have right here. So here we have the brush. Let's give it a little go here. And this is just to get it wet with the crud cutter. This is 100% crud cutter. Give that a little stir in there. You can see that's turning a little bit discolored already in there. What do we got here? We got some more here. So the crud cutter will definitely loosen this crap up, this crud. Let me dig my nail into the paper towel, the shop towel. Well, I think it's going to need more than just a swabbing or two. Like, I'll get the toothbrush. Get some soap. You know what? I won't even get the toothbrush right now. Right now, I'm going to put it right into the... This is a lot of liquid detergent. It's thick with liquid detergent, just a splatter of water. So we'll put that on there. Liquid dishwashing soap is an amazingly good, effective cleaner. I'm hoping that it'll help us here today. But it has already helped me a number of times. So we'll just wet it just like we did with the crud cutter. Of course, dishwashing liquid soap is not all that. It's, well, certainly not toxic. I mean, I wouldn't drink that either. But I mean, for crying out loud, my dishes are washed in it. So there. Now I have this long piece in the water, and I'm going to clean this again, maybe one more time before I replace it back in the sewing machine, or maybe I will just replace it for now and do it again in a couple of days, because I'll be, well, even today or tomorrow, because I'll be working on this machine, on other aspects of this machine. So there's the water, it's all wet. Oopsie daisy. And I'm not finished with this yet. All of these parts, after they are cleaned and dried, they're going to get a light coating of oil. Anyway, hope that wasn't too loud, sorry.